and welcome to my Christmas home tour. If you're new, my name is Tammy and I'm married to my husband Jeff, and we have 4 children together. We live on a little farm with a cat and a whole lot of chickens. Now I am super into home decor. I love decorating my house up. So naturally, Christmas is one of my favorite seasons because I feel like it's socially acceptable just to go crazy with decorations at Christmas time. So I'm hoping that my decor tour will give you a little bit of inspiration and some ideas. So I'm gonna show you guys around the place. I am going for a winter wonderland theme this year. So I actually didn't spend a whole lot of money on decorations. I used a lot of my decor from last year, and then I just did a flocking technique on most of it where I just put fake snow over everything. So I was able to reuse so many things. The one thing that I did buy was this tree behind me. I will show you guys the unboxing for that in this video right up above. I also show you a ribboning technique for that. So if you guys are interested in that, you can go and check that video out. But other than that, I really just reused a whole lot of decorations, as well as my husband made a whole bunch. So that really helped with the budget. But remember, no matter what your budget is, you can always make your home feel beautiful just by adding just little touches. You don't have to go and spend a ton of money. So like I said, I'm just trying to give you guys some ideas. And also, I know that this time of year can be super busy sometimes, and sometimes it can be a little bit stressful. In my case, sometimes it's just self-inflicted stress and it really isn't necessary. So I just want to say, just make sure that you relax, and I really hope that this tour will help relax you, because I know there's sometimes nothing better than just grabbing a cup of something warm, cuddling up, and just watching home decor. At least for me, I love to do that. I love to watch videos like this. So I hope that you enjoy it too. So like I said, go and grab something hot, go cuddle up with a blanket, and enjoy.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. See the snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it
business in my little present shop. When the bell on the door jingled once more, and then time almost came to a stop. But somehow I knew, and maybe so did you, that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas.
So these wooden Christmas trees are a new addition that I did not show you in my Christmas decorating video. My husband and I found one just like this in HomeSense, but he said that he could make one, and he did, and he made it even bigger than the one that we found in HomeSense, and he had some leftover material, so he made a baby one as well. So I just wanted to show you guys the cool things that you can do with it. You can just flatten them out, or you can make it a cascading spiral like staircase, which is what I'm doing right now. But the way I like it the best is where the branches are sticking out at all different angles, and it's just sort of a organized chaos, and it just has a 3D effect. Now this is also really fun for kids. My kids love coming here and just rearranging it all the time, so it's really a sensory toy as well, but it's a very pretty home decor sensory toy, so I love it, and I'm so happy that I have such a handy husband who can create things like this for me.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door, we talked for hours on end, and somehow we knew that we'd found something true, and that everything would change from now on. Yes, from this Christmas on, this Christmas on, from this Christmas on, it's gonna be you and me decorating the tree from this Christmas sun.
Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when it's cold and drear. Oh, Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me. For every year this Christmas tree brings to us such joy and glee. Oh, Christmas tree, such pleasure do